Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best CaddyTek 4-wheel products that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're a golfer looking for the perfect pushcart, you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's tee off with the countdown. Ranked at number 5, we have the CruiseMaster V8 golf cart from Clyvera. This 4-wheel pushcart is designed with functionality and durability in mind, featuring a lightweight aluminum alloy frame that's easy to push and maneuver. It boasts a one-click folding mechanism that collapses it into a compact size of just 24.5 inches by 17.7 inches by 15 inches, perfect for storing in your car trunk or locker. The 10-inch all-terrain wheels provide stability and smooth movement across any golf course, while the built-in brake system ensures safety on slopes or uneven paths. What sets the CruiseMaster apart is its impressive load capacity of 300 pounds, making it one of the most heavy-duty options on our list. This pushcart can easily hold large golf bags and extra gear without losing its balance. It also offers ample storage space for your golfing essentials, including balls, tees, gloves, beverages, and scorecards. With an ergonomic design and rugged wheels, it's built to handle all terrains with ease. However, the CruiseMaster has a few drawbacks. While it offers excellent storage and durability, it's not as lightweight as some of the other models on this list, and the lack of a listed price makes it harder to evaluate its overall value. Still, for golfers who need a robust, all-terrain option with significant storage, the Clyvera CruiseMaster V8 is a solid choice. Pros include its rugged design, high load capacity, and spacious storage, while cons include its heavier weight and limited brand reputation. Coming in at number 4 is the CaddyLite EZ Fold version 8 golf pushcart. This 3-wheel cart is a standout for its simplicity and functionality. Its compact folding mechanism uses a secure button system to collapse into a manageable size of 12.5 inches wide by 14.4 inches long by 28.4 inches high, making it an ideal choice for golfers with limited storage space. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame weighing just 18.5 pounds, it's durable without being cumbersome, allowing for easy transport and handling on and off the course. The CaddyLite EZ Fold offers a fixed front wheel with an adjustable alignment system, ensuring straight and smooth rolling even on uneven terrain. Its storage features are impressive, with a cooler basket, mesh net, phone GPS holder, umbrella holder, and a magnetic steel pad for towels or rangefinders. The adjustable handle height makes it comfortable for golfers of any stature, and the elastic straps secure your golf bag firmly, even on hilly courses. On the downside, the fixed front wheel might not appeal to those who prefer a swivel design for easier maneuverability. Additionally, with its 3-wheel setup, it may not offer the same level of stability as 4-wheel models. Overall, the CaddyLite EZ Fold is a great option for golfers who prioritize compactness and straightforward usability. Its pros include lightweight construction, excellent storage options, and easy folding, while cons are its fixed front wheel and slightly higher price point compared to other options. At number 3, we have the Explorer V8 Superlight 4-wheel golf pushcart, which takes the title of the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $150.73. Don't let the price fool you. This cart is packed with features that make it a great choice for golfers who want quality without breaking the bank. With a compact quad-fold frame that collapses to just 15.75 inches by 13.4 inches by 24 inches, it's incredibly travel-friendly, fitting easily into car trunks or lockers. The 4-wheel design provides enhanced stability on uneven terrain, while the adjustable front wheel width ensures compatibility with various golf bag sizes. The Explorer V8 shines in user comfort and storage. The adjustable handle height, wide body frame, and EVA wheels make it a breeze to maneuver, and it includes an umbrella holder, mesh net, tree holder, and scorecard holder with a magnetic steel pad for added convenience. Despite its lightweight aluminum build at 15.2 pounds, It's durable enough for regular use without showing wear and tear. That said, the Explorer V8 lacks some of the premium features found in higher-end models, such as an auto-folding mechanism or swivel front wheels. But for its price, it's hard to beat the value it offers. Ideal for golfers on a budget or those seeking a reliable secondary cart, the Explorer V8's pros include its affordability, portability, and stability. Cons include fewer premium features and a slightly less polished design compared to pricier models. At number 2, we have the CaddyCruiser One version 8 four-wheel golf push cart. This model strikes an excellent balance between functionality and affordability. Its patented one-click folding mechanism collapses the cart into a compact size of 17 inches by 14.2 inches by 26.4 inches within seconds, making it a fantastic choice for golfers who value quick setup and storage. The lightweight aluminum frame weighs under 17 pounds, ensuring easy handling, while the four-wheel design with EVA wheels provides exceptional stability and traction on all terrains. The CaddyCruiser One version 8 is loaded with practical storage features, including a cooler basket, mesh net, umbrella holder, foot brake, and a scorecard slot. The adjustable handle and elastic straps ensure your golf bag stays secure and that you can push the cart comfortably, regardless of your height. The large rear wheels and front wheel lock mechanisms further enhance its performance, making it a reliable companion for long rounds. While the CaddyCruiser offers incredible value, it lacks the advanced auto-folding technology found in our top pick. Additionally, though it's durable, it may not feel as premium as some higher-end models. Still, for under $200, it's one of the best options on the market, offering a great mix of portability, stability, and thoughtful features. The pros include its compact fold, excellent stability, and robust storage, while the cons are the absence of auto-folding and a slightly less premium build. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the CaddyLite Auto Plus 360 Golf Push Cart. This premium four-wheel option is the ultimate blend of convenience, quality, and performance. Its standout feature is the one-button auto-folding system, which collapses the cart into a compact size effortlessly, perfect for golfers who prioritize ease of use. The 360-degree swiveling front wheel offers unparalleled maneuverability, while the locking option ensures stability on more challenging terrain. Built with a lightweight yet durable aluminum frame, the CaddyLite Auto Plus 360 weighs just under 20 pounds and boasts a wide 32-inch wheelbase for extra stability. The EVA wheels with ball bearings ensure smooth, maintenance-free rolling over any surface, and the foot brake adds an extra layer of security when parking on slopes. The included accessories, umbrella holder, drink holder, and scorecard slot make it a complete package for walking golfers. While the higher price point of $259 might deter some, the CaddyLite Auto Plus 360 offers unmatched convenience and premium features that justify the investment. Its pros include the innovative auto-folding design, smooth maneuverability, and robust build quality, while the cons are its higher price and a slightly heavier frame compared to budget options. For golfers seeking the best of the best, this cart is a hole-in-one. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.